Hello everyone. Hi, I hope you are doing well. And let us start without wasting any time. So, this is basically an introductory video towards quadratic equations. Okay, so before learning this chapter, let me have a brief introduction. What actually do you mean by quadratic? Okay, and then we will move on to deep concepts related to this chapter. Okay, so before learning that, you should know what do you mean by algebraic expression. Okay, see, any mathematical statement that you can write, any mathematical statement, okay, that you can write will be an algebraic expression. Now, you know that any mathematical statement is written using a constant, variable, or any mathematical operator. Okay, so such statements are called an algebraic expression. Let me give you some examples. For example, say 2x cube plus 9y to the power 5. This is an algebraic expression. Say root 2x to the power of 92 plus 0.8 y to the power of 86. This is also an algebraic expression. Another examples will include say 1 plus x square by 1 plus y square, an algebraic expression, or say under root of x to the power of 32 plus y to the power of 96 plus 0.8. Any mathematical statement that you can think of will be an algebraic expression. Okay, so now since you have a good idea what do you mean by an algebraic expression, let me introduce you to the term called polynomial. Okay, see, polynomial is a special case of an algebraic expression, okay, in which the powers of variables are whole numbers. Okay, that is the only difference. Okay, in some textbooks, you may also get a definition that if you have a variable, say, in denominator, then it won't be a polynomial. Okay, because anyhow you will be getting a power that is not a whole number. I'll give you an example which will make this concept more clear. Say x to the power of 32 plus y to the power of 96. Is this a polynomial? Yes. Why? Because the power of x is a whole number and the power of y is a whole number, hence it is a polynomial. Say under root of x, is this a polynomial? No. Why? Because x has a power 1 by 2, which is not a whole number. 0.8 x to the power of 9 plus root of 6 y to the power of 7 plus xyzv. Is this a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Why? Because I told you to concentrate only on the powers of variable, nothing else. Okay, so zero point 0.8 x to the power of 9. So since this is not a whole number, but the power of variable is a whole number, hence this is a polynomial. In this term, power of variable is a whole number. Again, this is a polynomial. Here the power is 1, power is 1, power is 1, and again the power is 1. Hence, the complete term becomes a polynomial. Okay, so this is a most, like you can say, one of the important questions that you can get in an examination in which you need to identify polynomials. Okay, if I'll say x to the power of 32 by 2, is this a polynomial? Yes, it is. Why? Because what is 32 by 2? X to the power of 16 itself. Hence, this is a polynomial. Okay. So, the next thing is that the moment you define polynomial, you have to define degree. Okay. What is degree? Degree is the highest power of variable in any polynomial. Always remember that degree is only defined for a polynomial. Okay. Say in this case, this was a polynomial. What will be the degree? 96, because the highest power was 96 and the degree is 96. In this case, this is not a polynomial, so degree won't be defined. This is a polynomial. Okay, so how will you define the degree? Here it is 9, here it is 7, highest power of this term. Now see, when you have different variables in the same term, you need to add the powers in order to get the degree. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. Now choose the highest among them, 9. Hence the degree is 9. This is a polynomial with a degree 16. Okay, so based on degree we classify polynomial into different categories. Okay, if degree is 1, we say it is a linear polynomial. Okay, for example, 2x, 2x plus 2, 2x plus 3y. This is a linear polynomial in two variables. If the degree is equal to 2, we say it is a quadratic polynomial, and the whole chapter is dedicated to this thing only. Examples, say, now see, the degree is the maximum power. Okay, so let me take the maximum power as 2, then I have to write other powers, say 3x plus 2 or 3x square itself. This is also quadratic. 2y to the power of 2 plus of 6, a quadratic, etc, etc. Okay, and when the degree is equal to 3, we say it is a cubic polynomial. For example, 3x cube plus 2x square plus 9x plus 7, or say only x cube or x cube plus 3. Everything are example of cubic polynomial. So now I think you have a good picture of what is algebraic expression, what is polynomial, and finally what is a quadratic polynomial. In the next set of videos, we'll try to learn quadratic equations, roots, and then we'll move on to new concepts related to this chapter. That's all for this video. If you liked it, do like it, share it, and do subscribe the channel for more updates and more videos. That's all for today. Thank you.